Business meetings, mastering video call etiquette. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to dive into the essential world of business meetings over video calls. As we've grown more accustomed to remote work, mastering video call etiquette has become crucial. In this video, we'll explore some role-playing scenarios that will help you practice and improve your English speaking and listening skills in a business context. Understanding the basic etiquette for video calls is vital. Firstly, ensure that you are in a quiet environment to avoid background noise. Secondly, test your audio and video before the meeting. You want to be sure you're seen and heard clearly. Lastly, make sure to dress appropriately, just as you would for an in-person meeting. Now, let's talk about how to kick off a video call. The host of the meeting should welcome everyone, then briefly outline the agenda. You could say something like, "Hello everyone, thank you for joining today's meeting. We're here to discuss," and then proceed to list the key topics for discussion. Active listening is key during a meeting. Show that you're engaged by nodding, and use phrases like, "I see," or, "That's a good point," to acknowledge other people's input. If you have a point to make or a question to ask, remember to wait for your turn. You can signal your intention by saying, "May I add something here?" or, "I have a question." Finally, when ending the meeting, summarize the key points and any actions that need to be taken. You could say something like, "Before we end, let's quickly summarize. Remember to thank everyone for their time and participation. Thank you all for your valuable inputs today." Now it's time for some practice. We'll role-play some typical video call scenarios. Grab a partner and alternate between playing the host and the participant. Practice starting, conducting, and ending a meeting, using the phrases and tips we've discussed. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. That wraps up our session on video call etiquette in business meetings. Remember, practice is the key to perfection. Don't hesitate to replay this video and practice the role-playing exercises until you're confident. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more English language learning videos, and keep practicing. Thank you, and see you next time.